I also want to request Dr. Neha Baisari and Dr. Kamala Devi ma'am to please come here on the stage.
So good morning everyone. Let me first thank the organizers that they thought I should speak with you all. At the same time, he used to be from revenue services, be at a block level to help people in different ways. We used to get transferred often. And there was a time, I studied in Marathwada region of in the 9th standard, when I was to go into 9th standard, he was transferred 3 times in a year. The result was I landed up finally into one school, which was a Jilla Parishad school. Marathi medium, government school, and it was at the border of Andhra Pradesh, Biloli district. Why am I saying this? As a child, I still remember when finally I went into the 3rd school and stabilized there in Biloli, I didn't know how I would perform because you are always scared, new group of friends, new teachers, what would happen? I remember my first quarterly exam, and in 9th standard those days, there used to be something which used to be called as higher mathematics as a subject. And trust me, I did pediatrics. I wanted to do something different, area that tends to occur among children, and be happy with it. Did I stop there? No. I said I don't want to earn money. Those days pediatrics used to be one of those branches where one would earn a lot of money if you do private practice. But I refused to do that. I said I want to join the career as a researcher, because as a researcher you can contribute to many. If you tweak, if some of the evidences that you generate can
Dr. Raman Ganga Kherkar ji as a token of appreciation from us, and also to render the vote of thanks.
And your presence in Rashtriya Bal Vaigyanik Pradarshani 2023 Maharashtra. Your thoughts and suggestions truly inspired and enlightened minds of these child scientists. Thank you once again, sir.